Programmers' best friend code generation services took off in 2022. Computer code has long been a tool to express complicated ideas, but it's also an art form. The ability to string together lines of text in just the right way is something that can take years to master. AI-powered code generators. Even non-developers can create software routines similar to the work of experienced developers, though the results can be hit or miss. Language models fine-tuned on computer code proved capable of generating software routines similar to the work of experienced developers, though the results can be hit or miss. AI-powered code generators made their way into large companies, and even small-time developers, and non-developers, gained access to them. eBay started the year by placing low-code tools into the hands of non-engineers, enabling them to build and deploy models without prior knowledge of AI or machine learning. This was a big move for eBay, as they are looking to become a leader in this new AI-driven economy. The company believes that low-code tools will allow them to compete with companies like Microsoft and IBM, who have been offering similar tools for years. In February, DeepMind introduced AlphaCode, a transformer pre-trained on 86 million programs in 12 programming languages and fine-tuned on entries to coding contests. At inference, it generates 1 million possible solutions and filters out the bad ones. In this way, it retroactively beat more than half of contestants in 10 coding competitions. AlphaCode is not only able to write programs that are better than humans at solving problems, but also does so more quickly than any human could ever hope to do. AlphaCode uses reinforcement learning for its training. It is given rewards for each correct solution that it writes. Because it is capable of generating millions of possible solutions in seconds and then filtering out the bad ones, AlphaCode has already become an invaluable tool for programmers everywhere who are looking to create applications that are both efficient and high quality. GitHub is one of the most important tools in the world for developers and coders. It's a place where people can share their code, and it's also a site where people can practice coding. GitHub has recently introduced a new feature called CoPilot, which is an autocomplete system that suggests code in real time. Users pay a subscription fee, though students and verified open-source developers get free access. OpenAI's GPT-3 language model, which was released in 2020, showed that it could generate working code as early as mid-2020. A year later, OpenAI introduced a fine-tuned version known as Codex, which serves as the foundation for GitHub's CoPilot. GitHub's CoPilot is a machine learning tool that allows developers to automate their development processes. It uses details about the user's workflow to recommend changes to their codebase in order to make it more efficient. The system also tracks how often developers make these changes and how useful they are in terms of improving productivity and reducing errors.